Hi everyone, Mrs. Freeman, music time. Good to see everybody again. Still in our first cycle, we're still getting adjusted, still getting used to this new way of doing specials. So I'd like to just review a little bit what you guys learned the first time you had specials with either Mrs. Capella or Mrs. Fendler. And then I can move on to our activity for the day. Let's take a look at the Learning Innovation Lab. And this is just a random Learning Innovation Lab, just popped right in. They're pretty much all the same, except for the grade level and the content, but the look of it's all pretty much the same. Me sitting down here, Mrs. Capella, Mrs. Fendler, and the whiteboard that has the activities for the day. So this one happens to be for third grade. So you will see at the top story time, and then did you know and music lab. Those are your three specials of library, computer, and music. Now, whenever we start a new cycle, a new 6-day cycle, you're going to have, and you have specials, it's a really good idea to start with story time. Why? Well, even if it's music class time, starting with story time will give you a great overview of the theme, because we always have a theme that all three of us are going to be basing our lessons around. And if you read the story, we three agree. That would be a great way for you to get the idea of the theme. That way, when you go onto the computer lesson and the music lesson, everything will make sense and flow very nicely. So, it's very important that you keep track of what you have done. You've got to get your story time done, your did you know, and your music lab done before the 6-day cycle is over, because when it is, we're going to start a whole new story time and did you know a music lab, okay? Now, I know that the resource room is really fun. I know you guys love games, and that's great. But we also would really like you to make sure that you do the activities for the day first before you play a game. So there's always going to be a story time to do, or a did you know first. And then we're going to ask you to do a couple more things like keyboarding, or we might say we'd like you to do an epic challenge before you start doing the games, okay? And each time we have a new cycle, you're going to have an activity packet, and we really want you to work in that as well. It's not just to take home and have around the house. No, it's to stay at school and work on during specials, okay? And then, you know, when you're done, you can check off that you've done it, okay? Now, I have a slide on this page right over here that has a symbol, okay? The music play symbol or icon is going to be in the resource room. Why do we need the music play icon? Why do we need to be able to get to it? Well, because there's two reasons really. One, we're going to be able to play games there eventually, maybe even today. And that's a place where I'm going to be doing my lessons from. Okay, so I might ask you to go to music play. So let's just do that together. But before we do, I forgot one very important thing. I really wanted to see if I could teach you how to get ready for music in sign language. I learned it. Can you cross your fingers like this? Can you say, ready? Ready? Nice. So if I ask you, are you ready? You will answer me, we're ready. Actually, I'm ready. Ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Now, ready for what? Music. So I've got my arm out and I'm just brushing with my pinky side like this to show that I'm keeping time to the music. So if I ask you, are you ready for music? Your answer is, I'm ready for music. All right, so let's just try that once, and then we'll go to music play. Are you ready? Are you ready for music? All right, we're gonna keep working on that. Okay, let's go to music play. Now, when I go to the resource room, which is right here, I'm gonna look for that icon. Can you find it? Can you see it? Near. Yep, it's way over here, right beside Brain Pop. And if you click on it, it's already linked up to the grade that you would be in. This one is for grade 3. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna take us over to the music play site. Now, this is my account. When you come into this, you don't need a password. So great. You just gotta come onto Music Play Online and you're right here on your page. It's so great. It's all linked up to my account and I'm sharing it with you. Why? Because I love you all so much. Now, if I ask you to come to listen to a song, you will see the song right down here, okay? They're all in a list called the song list right over here. So I might say, I need you to play Whoopee Cushion. That is a funny name, isn't it? You guys know what a whoopee cushion is? So if you go and click on that whoopee cushion song, then you will see it. It'll just show up, okay? So, and you'll play it and you'll listen to it. And then, guess what? All of these things over here, they're for me to choose. They're activities that you get to fill in, you get to type in, and I will send the one for you to do that I want you to do for the day. Today we're going to check out the games though. Let's do that. If I go to the bottom of this long list of boxes with games in it, it will take me to this. It's just a bigger view, easier to read, and you can see where it says click to play. Now, music is all about listening. These games require you to listen and try not to choose answers until the listening example is over. So let's just do this for a second. I did this one, this is kind of funny. It's a fast and slow game. Listen carefully. It's going to be a song first and tell us in the directions. They're going to sing the directions. Let's try that again. Huh. That's interesting. It is not seeming to be working. Huh. Well, you know what? I'm going to have to show you the games another time. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But anyway, these are the games, and they are only for after you've finished every activity that you are required to do first, okay? Then in free time, you can play the games. I'm very surprised that I cannot access these, and it kind of makes me sad. But you know what? Sometimes these things happen. All right, I'm going to go back here to this page. It's a very nice, pretty page. And I'm going to ask you if you would please go to your website, your presentation, your Learning Innovation Lab at this time. And I'd like you to find the Music Play computer, the little icon, okay, with it looks like a computer. It might not be in this particular place. It might be on this table. We like to be tricky and we like to have things in different places so that you have to use your eyes and try to find them. So you're going to click on it and you're going to let it drop down, and then it's going to take you to the Music Play. And then I'd like you to pick a game to play and just kind of acquaint yourself with the site, okay? So with that said, I miss you very much, and I look forward to our activities together where we use the Music Play website to listen to concepts and listen to songs and then do some really fun work on these fillable documents that I'm going to create for you. All right. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again. Bye.